Date-based smart segments are a useful way to sort and add contacts to a journey based on a specific date in their details and follow them up with an email or message closer to that date. Let's use Bob's Boats as an example. Bob has an annual membership his contacts can purchase to receive exclusive access, invitations, and discounts across his business. Bob wants to send a reminder email to all contacts that have purchased the membership 30 days prior to the membership expiry. This is a great example of when to use a date-based smart segment because each contact will have a different membership sign-up date. We'll start with a smart segment trigger. Drag it onto the canvas and click to configure. From the drop-down, select Add a new smart segment. Name your new smart segment and click Create. In the first drop-down, select the Contact Field Value option. Bob is going to select Annual Membership in the next menu and then use the far right menu to select the right phrase. When using dates to segment contacts, there are a few phrase options. The key ones to note are before, after, and between. Before represents anything that took place before now, in the past. After represents everything that will happen in the future, and between looks at the time between 2 points. For this example, we're going to select between. From here, we're given spaces to input our dates and time frame. You'll have the option to select either today, specific date, or relative date. In these cases, today represents the current day rolling forward. It's important to note that if using this option, the day will start at 12:01 AM for each qualified contact. Specific date refers to a particular date that you can enter in its exact form. The relative date option means that the date fluctuates and isn't the same all the time. For Bob's annual membership, he'll select today and relative date from the drop-down options. He can use the menu that becomes available to select whether he'd like to notify his contacts days or weeks before their membership expires. Bob's going to use 30 days as his time frame for his reminder email. He's also going to click Event Repeats Yearly. This way, Bob doesn't have to create a new journey every year to remind his members to resubscribe. You can use the preview panel at the bottom of the box to see which contacts meet your segment criteria on that particular date. Don't worry though, the smart segment will continue to catch all contacts with each day that passes. When you're happy with the setup, click Create. Bob will add a delay shape in for a few hours before his email shape, as he doesn't want to send emails to his contacts at 12:01 AM. Following this, add in a send email shape. Select the email that you wish to send and connect up all of your shapes. Bob is also going to add a preview of the email to the journey to remind himself what it looks like. Once everything is connected correctly and you're happy with the journey, click Publish. And that's how to use date-based smart segments.